Video, I'm going to be showing you how to create and send broadcast messages to your list or your contacts, broadcast emails to your list or your contacts. So once you are on your dashboard, WordPress dashboard, the next thing you need to do is to come down to Groundhog over here. Click on Groundhog, then all these will show up. So the first thing we're going to do is to create a tag. So we're going to gather all our lists into a tag. I'm assuming that you're here to have you're here to add your contact into this email software. So once you are adding your contact into the email software, it's going to be good that you add them into a particular tag so that you can track them anytime you want to send a broadcast messages. So we're going to create a tag for it by clicking on tag. Then I'm going to say first tag 2. I'm going to add in tag, add new tag. Okay, so we have our tag, test tag 2, then 0 counts. So the next thing we do is to go and import our contacts. So I'll go to contacts. So once you're on contact, then you see add new and import. So we are importing new contacts. Then we need to click on import. So once you're here, so this software allows you to import only CSV file. So what you need to do is, if you have your contacts, you need to go and put them on into an Excel file, then table them to name and contact. And if you have their phone number, you can also table them their phone number into 3 different cells. Then save them as a CSV file on an Excel in an Excel software. So either you use Google Spreadsheet or you use Microsoft Excel, you can easily save them into a CSV file. So once you've saved them into a CSV file, then you can choose your come down here and choose your file. So I'm going to look for a CSV file right here. I'm going to click on this one, then open. So once you have it here, then you can click import contacts. Okay, so we will need to map our contact over here, map contact to field. So um I only have 2 cells for this contact, which is name and email. So I will need to map them with this. So this one has the full name, then this have the email. Okay, so add additional tags to this import. So we'll need to add this new import into a particular tag that we've created so that we can go back to them and use that tag as a list. So we created a tag called test tag. So next time, if you can give your tag a name that's that can help you remember the kind of contact that are in those tags. If it's a webinar list or a particular product that you have, so you can just name them that tag. So this I'm using this as an example. So I'm going to click on it. Then it says, "Hi, I have previously confirmed this email address." Then I click yes. So I'm going to click import contacts. So we're going to wait till it completes 100%. Okay, so now we have them, the emails, first name, last name, and date created. So we've import all our tags, all our contacts. Now it's time we create our email. So we'll come down to email under proof, under tag. So you see email, we click down email. Okay, so right here we have no email. So we want to create a new email. Then we come up here to new email, add new. Okay, so since we didn't have any email here already, so we'll come down to a template, um, pro templates, to look for a particular template we can use. So right here we have different type of templates you can pick from. We have application email, request, review request, confirmation email, um, newsletter, welcome email. So since I'm going to start from scratch, I'm going to come down to plain text and I'll click on start writing. So I would advise that you create your email first before sending your broadcast. So this will help you to select, because when you're sending your broadcast, it's going to ask you which email have you prepared before. So right now we are on the email editor right here. So the first thing you need to do is to give your email a name. Let me say welcome email. Then once you're done with that, you need to give your email a subject. Come down to this place, subjects. So um, first of all, like let me say, uh, you are welcome. Oh, welcome. Welcome to my list. So you can personalize this subject by adding a personalized text, a personalized code. So here on Groundhog, there are codes that you can use to personalize. So like I want to say, you are welcome to my list, Daniel. So for me to add that Daniel, I have to add a code there. So to add that code, we have something called replacement over here. So you're going to click on it. It's going to show you the codes. So this code will give you the contact first name. Same thing with this code. This code will give you the contact last name. Or this code will give you the contact last name or the contact email. So I want to add the contact first name so that it's going to reflect the name. So once I click on it like this, I double click on it, it's, or sometimes if you want to do it, you can just click on it, then come down to this place and click insert. So I have to there, then click on. So we can add a pre-header called, let me just say, um, just welcome, welcome. So once you're done with that, then you come down to this place. So let me just do this. Okay. Assuming you have this. So the first thing you need to do is this is saying this email is coming from who. So what you need to do is to click on this drop down arrow and click on the contact owners so that's going to carry the name of your brand. So you can add an email to reply to. if you want them to reply. So, and that is just it. That is it for this place. So then you come down to the plain text here. So the reason why I'm saying I'm using a template so that you can easily just continue from where this is stopped. You can easily take this template and then start um, writing your email. So once you are here, you just click on this place. So it's going to take you to where you can edit the text. So I'm going to grab an email that I have drafted before. Okay, so this is my subject line. Okay, so I have my subject line already. Then let me add this hello name. So copy. So what I'm gonna do is to highlight all this, then clear them out. Okay, let me take this out as well. Okay, so here I paste. What I did was to control V, which is to paste. And let me do it again. I left click, then I paste. So um, let me give some arrangements. Okay. So hello name. So I'm going to personalize this to carry the name of the email, the owner of the email address. So to do that, I'm gonna click this hop here called replacement. Still the same thing. Click on it, then insert. So okay, so then bottom here, I'm gonna add the business name. I'm gonna come back up here, click look for the business name here, insert. Okay, so I have it there. So this is this is how it's gonna look like. So once you're done, in case you want to increase the size of some letters, now it depends on how you set them. For instance, I can highlight this whole place and take them away from paragraph to headlines. So they're going to be affected in a different way. Now I'm going to apply these ones, and I'm going to headline 2. So what I'm going to do is the rest are on paragraph. This one is on paragraph. This one is on headline 1. This other one is on headings 2. This one is on headings 1, and this one is on paragraph. So in case I want to increase their size, you can see them here. Each one means headings 1. Then I increase. So can you see how then H2 size, then I increase, that is affected. Then paragraph size. So just to show you how each of these um, headings size work, I'm gonna go back. Sorry. Okay, so that you can have everything back. So in case maybe your hand touch this place and then you delete everything, what you need to do is to just come down to this place where you can add different things. You can add the text block, you can add image, you can add a button, so you can add a space in between in case you want to space. You can add a divider, and then each one of them you can edit them. Just all you need to do is to click